अरे रंग बरसे भीगे चुनर वाली रंग बरसे
में तेरे उड़ते बाल आजा रंग दो दोनों गाल अरे सारा रारा कबीरा सारा रारा
इतना मजा क्यों आ रहा है पूरे हवा में भांग मिलाया
रंग भर के चुनर तूने ओढ़ी कसर पे पौध में झूमे सारे भांग रगड़ के
इतना मजा क्यों आ रहा है पूरे हवा में भांग मिलाया
Clouds of vibrant colors painted the sky as joyous laughter echoed through the coming fairgrounds, where thousands gathered to celebrate Seva Atlanta's 18th annual Holi Festival of Colors on 15th March 2025. A true feast for the senses, the event brought together music, dance, delicious food, and a deep sense of togetherness, transforming the fairgrounds into a dazzling spectacle of cultural expression. Seva International is a non-profit organization dedicated to serving underserved communities through volunteer-driven initiatives such as free tutoring, health clinics, and food drives. Seva Holi exemplified the spirit of inclusivity, drawing a diverse crowd eager to partake in the revelry. Attendees of all backgrounds enthusiastically joined in the color play, danced to energetic beats, and savored an array of delicious foods. Among the distinguished speakers, Congressman Dr. Rich McCormick praised Seva International for its commitment to humanitarian service, both locally and worldwide.
Namaste and happy Holi. What a great day to celebrate with thousands and thousands of people. Understanding the spirit of the occasion, understanding the Indian diaspora, understanding what Seva International stands for. Helping people, not just here but around the world, those people who are disadvantaged. Those people who need us to step up to the plate. That is the best of all human nature. And what could be better than Seva International, what they represent? God bless you and happy Holi.
Consul General of India, Atlanta, Ramesh Babu Lakshmanan, applauded Seva International for hosting the largest Holi celebration in Georgia.
Right? Good afternoon, Seva International. You all know about it. It's an humanitarian non-profit organization dedicated to the selfless service and the community upliftment. They are very much committed to disaster relief, education, healthcare, and other community development, including street cleaning and so many other activities. They empower individuals and communities through voluntary-driven initiatives. Their work spans across the USA and globally. They foster a great sense of service and social responsibility. Through their great projects and programs, they have touched tangible difference. They made tangible difference in the lives of many, supporting local communities to aiding disaster-stricken areas. Holi, you all know about it. It's a welcome festival of spring and a color festival. And Seva celebrates one of the biggest Holi in USA. Very happy, and they are doing an 18th edition of Holi in Atlanta. We all know about the spirits of Holi, to celebrate love, brotherhood, and coming together and celebrating the spring. All the best wishes. Happy Holi to everyone. Thank you.
Congressman McCormick didn't just speak about unity, he danced for it. In a moment that had the crowd cheering, he joined the Seva team on stage, moving enthusiastically to the infectious beats of Bollywood music. The sight of a US congressman grooving to Bollywood tunes alongside the Seva group perfectly encapsulated the festival's essence, breaking barriers, embracing cultures, and sharing in the sheer delight of the occasion.
अरे रंग बरसे भीगे चुनर वाली रंग बरसे
में तेरे उड़ते बाल आजा रंग दो दोनों गाल अरे सारा रारा कबीरा सारा रारा
इतना मजा क्यों आ रहा है पूरे हवा में
Deputy Consul General Srijan Shandilia reinforced the significance of Holi in fostering cultural understanding and inclusivity.
Hello everyone, I am here at the Mega Holi event organized by Seva International. Seva has been involved in doing so many humanitarian activities in Atlanta and around US and the world indeed. And I am glad that they have organized this huge event that promotes the values of coming together, which aligns with their own values of selfless service and bringing joy to the community. Thank you so much and happy Holi everyone.
Here today celebrating Atlanta's Georgia's largest Holi festival, I would say, and we're expecting thousands of people here today. We are celebrating Holi, the Indian festival, symbolizing the victory of good over evil, as well as celebrating the advent of spring. In the context of Atlanta, we are bringing the community together across cultures, across nationalities, across different denominations. All of us coming together celebrating a major festival. So glad to be here. Also, one of the things we are doing here is raising the awareness about Seva and all the great work that Seva is doing. And Raji may more about Seva.
Thank you very much. Namaste everyone. Seva Atlanta, there's a lot of outreach in Atlanta area, Atlanta suburb. There are three main areas that we focus on. Firstly, we focus on education. We have an after-school homework help. A lot of underprivileged kids attend that. There's a virtual program and there's also an in-person program in Crawford Lawn. We serve about a few hundred students in that program. The other thing that we do is address food insecurity. We run several food drives. We focus on making sure we get healthy food, produce, vegetables, fruits and such. Thirdly, we focus on healthcare. We partner with GAPI, Georgia Association of Physicians of Indian Origin, to provide free healthcare services to the underprivileged, underserved communities in Atlanta. We welcome you to join. Please look us up at saveatlanta.org, and we welcome you to come join us, volunteer with us and support our local community. Thank you. Happy Holi.
Happy Holi.
हरे रंग बरसे भीगे चुनर वाली रंग बरसे
तेरे उड़ते बाल आजा रंग दो दोनों गाल अरे सारा रारा कबीरा सारा रारा
इतना मजा क्यों आ रहा है पूरे हवा में भांग मिलाया
रंग भर के जुनर तूने ओढ़ी कसर पे पौध में झूमे सारे भांग रगड़ के
इतना मजा क्यों आ रहा है पूरे हवा में भांग मिलाया
My name is Swadesh Katoj. I'm a volunteer with Seva International and we are doing this for last 20 years. And if you look at the crowd, all the people here, they are from all the diversity. They are from Indian community, local, all colors are here. Young generation, all students are here. If you see, it's a young crowd. That's so good to see that how our second generation is participating in this festival.
हरे रंग बरसे
everybody is hugging and spreading the message of love that we all Hindu Americans do. Thank you.
Hey, mama,